Accessing library computer data.
My name is Eric with an A, and welcome to the Lcars.Mobile video preview. On the top left here, we have our Start menu. On the top right, we have our Task menu here. Down below, we can also see how the general Windows interface has also been themed. The top left elbow shows signal strength. By tapping it, we'll search for any new notifications. The top right elbow shows the battery level. By tapping, it will open up the System Stats window. The Systems panel holds key phone information like volume here. When changing the volume, the color behind the volume button also changes. Next, we have the notification buttons. Here, the numbers correspond with the text showing how many of each we have. Each button will open up the corresponding program or just call your voicemail. The COM elbow will open up your phone and your contacts. The Subsystems mini panel holds 4 separate buttons. Between the tap and tap hold gestures, you can have up to 8 separate links here. Tap here to expand the Subsystems panel.
Accessing.
The Subsystems area will allow you to hold up to 20 separate links per panel. The buttons on the right will switch between 5 different color-coded panels, with red I use as the system control. The 2 numbers here show the current day of the month and the current temperature. Tapping the Agenda button will open up the Agenda panel. With a gesture, you can switch between appointments and the calendar. With more gestures, you can switch between months. By tapping any day of the month, you can view or add new appointments to that day. By pressing the Temp button will open up the Weather panel. By pressing and holding the Temp button will only just update the current weather. On the left we have the current temperature, what it actually feels like, and the day's high and low. On the right we have wind speed, wind direction, humidity, and a randomly changing number. To view a day forecast, just tap the day name. One nice thing is that as today changes, so shall all the rest of the day names change. To access weather on the web, just hit the web button. Lcars.Mobile also comes with a handy lock screen. Starting at the bottom magenta rectangle, slide up to the COM elbow button. Here, the phone buttons and screen taps no longer work. To unlock the system, you must hit a specific button sequence. By hitting the correct button makes the second button, third button, and fourth button appear. By hitting the correct button sequence will cause the complex button to appear. You can either reset or access the system. The last feature of this theme is the Access panel, open with a gesture to the left. Here we have some basic options and an area to put anything you want for quick access. Again, my name is Eric with an A, and thank you for watching the Lcars.Mobile video preview. Thank you.